From the movie studio to your home theater, THX ensures the artist's vision is preserved throughout the production chain. How? THX has developed certification programs and technologies to preserve the integrity of movies, music, and games from production to playback. These programs and technologies focus on the sound and visual elements to deliver content like the filmmaker, game developer, and recording artist created it. Let's take a look at some of these programs. The THX Certified Studio Program establishes performance specifications, providing artists with the necessary equipment and environment to accurately capture the audio and visual details during their production sessions. A THX Certified Cinema is built to THX specifications, including the auditorium architectural design and acoustic performance. The goal of this program is to mimic the studio environment in the cinema, providing audiences with audio and visual details that deliver an immersive movie experience. Through stringent audio and visual monitoring techniques and quality control procedures, the THX Certified DVD program ensures movies are accurately transferred to DVDs for your home presentations. In the THX Certified Games program, THX works directly with developers to create consistent development environments, ensuring the gamer sees the details and special effects exactly as they were produced. This brings us to the THX Certified Home Theater program, which provides a standard for every aspect of the home theater system, including the room design and seating positions. Let's put this home theater concept a bit more into perspective. As you look around this room, you will notice that you're sitting in a simulated THX Certified Home Theater environment. Now, obviously, this is not a real room. However, the location of the video display, the seating, and the placement of the speakers are in line with THX requirements. First, let's take a look at the video display and seating locations. The display size is dependent on how close you sit to the screen. If you have a high-definition video system, you can determine the seat-to-screen distance by measuring the screen width and then dividing that measurement by 0.728. Your goal is to have a screen that does not appear to be more than 40 degrees wide horizontally. Too close and the picture looks fuzzy. Too far and it's not impressive. You will also want to avoid high-backed seats that block sounds from the surround speakers. Just as a general rule, nothing should block the sound between the speakers and listeners. Now let's check out the speaker placement. THX recommends placing the left and right front speakers at ear height to produce a 45-degree angle as viewed from the main seating position. The center speaker should be horizontally centered above or below the display, unless you have a perforated screen, in which case it should be centered both horizontally and vertically behind the screen. As you look directly to your left and right, you see the surround speakers. THX recommends either dipole or bipole diffuse speakers placed to the side or slightly behind the listeners. Diffuse speakers provide the best surround envelopment experience while still delivering intense special effects. Let's add some bass with the placement of the subwoofers. For a smooth and accurate bass at every seat, THX recommends 4 subwoofers placed midway along each wall. Next, we come to the surround back speakers. In order to complete the total surround sound experience, the left and right surround back speakers should be the direct firing type, placed together on the back wall. This allows the THX Advanced Speaker Array, or ASA technology, to deliver its maximum effect. THX ASA digitally reconfigures the surround channels for movies, music, and games, recreating the recording studio sound field. This technology establishes the THX listening modes, making it convenient to have one speaker setup for different types of content. To recreate the movie theater presentation in your home, the THX Cinema Listening Mode processes the 5.1 movie soundtrack to ensure that your home system sounds as involving as a THX certified cinema. So now that we've looked at the recommended room setup, we come to one of the biggest challenges for any home theater enthusiast: deciding which products to buy. THX is here to help simplify this decision-making process. In working closely with leading AV manufacturers during the product development phase, products are built to THX specifications and incorporate THX technologies. It's only after completing this work and passing a series of usability and performance tests that the exclusive THX certified status is granted. THX is the only company to provide such a mark of approval. So when you buy a THX certified product, you can rest assured that you're purchasing top quality performance. This AV certification program is divided into performance categories to help find the right product for your listening environment. THX Select and Select 2, and THX Ultra and Ultra 2. THX Select and THX Select 2 certified products deliver optimal quality audio and video presentations to small to medium-sized residential rooms. THX Select certification sets performance standards for speakers and DVD players, while THX Select 2 specifically addresses receivers. Both certification categories are designed for those who crave immersive DVD, music, and video game experiences, but do not have the space for a dedicated home theater. THX Ultra and THX Ultra 2 certified products deliver top quality audio and video presentations to large home theaters. THX Ultra certification is the benchmark for products which are not technically dependent on the room size. This includes interconnects and speaker cables, equalizers, projection screens, and DVD players. THX Ultra 2, on the other hand, establishes performance standards for products that are affected by the room size: speakers, receivers, preamplifiers, and power amplifiers. Both the THX Ultra and the THX Ultra 2 specifications are designed for audio enthusiasts who demand the ultimate performance from their home theaters. From the studio to the cinema to your home, THX programs and technologies deliver the intended vision of filmmakers, recording artists, and game developers, while at the same time ensuring consistent, high-quality playback for an immersive entertainment experience. For more information, visit www.thx.com.